Huh? All right, so he's still messed up from the from that concert that we were at yesterday, but we are going to this pho bar or whatever they call it, PHO. Yeah, it's Vietnamese food. I think I've had Vietnamese food before, but I can't quite remember. But anyway, let's get in here and I'll tell you how the food is. Yo, straight up, quick spin around. Only pieces of chocolate. There's 3 of us. But that's a good sign. It tells that like the food is good, it's authentic. And usually like when the people, like the native Vietnamese people, eat at their own place, you know, like yeah, they know what their food should taste like. But anyway, let's get it. So for the curious people, we're at pho back. It just means pho is back. And let's get it. All right, so I made a big mistake, guys. It's actually pho. Like, look, I have your faja. Alright, so you guys know I like shrimp, and I haven't had that since I've been in New York. So maybe I get the shrimp one, or maybe I might get the grilled pork.
Which is also really good.
It's good?
Their Vietnamese pork is ridiculous.
I think I might get the pork. Yo, low-key, it's a blessing to try foods. Yeah, I'm good. It's a blessing to try food from different places, because like for me personally, food connects like all the different cultures and stuff. And like you can. Except for white people. What do you mean? They don't really have a culinary culture. That's what you mean?
American white people.
I don't know. Well, I don't think. Well, I'm not so sure they really have like much of a big culture. Maybe like fast food, like hamburgers or stuff.
But that's just mad
You guys can drop in the culture, not the culture, in the comments. Like, what do you guys think about, you know, American food culture? If it's like really big. But yeah, apart from that though, it's great trying different foods from different places. So, seeing that you're the food expert, what is that? Well, that's
This is Asian basil. This is mung bean sprouts, and you basically use this to top the pho soup. It's a traditional Vietnamese soup that's made with a beef bone broth, noodles, and usually like a beef brisket, like sliced really thin. And the whole idea is that the broth is supposed to be like really magical and healing. It's made with like star anise and all other kinds of herbs. Like it's known amongst like Americans as like hangover soup. Like you drink the soup and it's like it's a cure-all to everything. Yeah.
Like legit, these are probably the 2 most versed people I know in food. Like, look at it. All right, I'm done.
So that's how you
show us how you're gonna, you know, do.
All right, I don't really. I'm only doing it because like my mom would make me. Okay.
Thank you.
You pretty much rip up the basil. Now, Ma, you remember when I put sriracha on mine?
Don't put sriracha.
I like putting
sriracha.
sriracha.
That's like too much. That's OD.
No, it's not. It's perfect.
Sprinkle the sprouts.
Yes.
Here comes sriracha.
Bro, this is like, I love sriracha in general, bro. It's fire.
Are you going to squeeze your lime on it?
Yeah? Not too much, though.
So what's the flavor like? Is it very herby or?
It is kind of herbaceous. It does have a really nice sort of hearty herbaceousness, but it's also really simple and light. They use a rice noodle that's really light and airy. It's not a heavy noodle soup.
I was about to ask, like, does it fill your stomach?
It can, but it's not like overly filling. That's why I like to get it. And it's good in the winter. It's good in the summer. It's just a nice part of the soup.
Can I have chopsticks?
Oh, sure.
Like spice it up a little bit.
Oh, jalapenos, okay.
Yeah.
Can I put it?
Thank you.
Thank you.
So I'm telling you, like usually normal people will go for like forks, but this guy guy's been eating at these places for such a long time. He's a master at the chopstick.
I love chopsticks though. Yeah, I like chopsticks.
Oh my gosh.
Are there spoons?
That's
You gotta show them how you use the spoon and
Nah, but they don't got the spoons though.
No spoons?
yeah, they are.
Oh, there is.
Alright, yeah.
So you get some broth,
Yeah.
get some noodle. I got barely any, but you put it in the broth.
And then you have a bite.
And then that's like your bite, but you could also like put a little bit of beef in it, you know, to make it like a little bit better. But
Make it banging, yeah.
exactly.
Yeah, I feel
Wait,
you.
pause on that.
Pause for what? Bang that soup in your mouth, boy.
Hey.
So,
Theirs is different than. I don't know if I like sriracha in my soup.
That's why that bottle you had in the fridge was like 90 years old.
This is straight New York vibes.
yeah.
You eat with the locals wherever you go.
Awesome.
That's how you do it.
So your spring rolls?
Yes.
So traditionally, you eat the spring roll,
Yeah.
but you want to show them, Mel? You take a piece of lettuce.
Let me clear this. Let me get it.
And you take some of the herbs. And you gotta put up your mint leaf.
I put the herbs on it.
Oh, you do. I put my herbs. Take a piece of mint, a piece of cilantro, and then you roll it.
And you dip it in the sauce. Ooh, that got chili flakes in it? That's gonna be
And
bussin'.
that's a fish. It's like a fish. It's called nunchuck sauce. It's a fish sauce.
How is it?
Really?
Yeah.
I might have to have one.
Fire.
Plus, because it got the spice in it?
Really?
That looks really
Yeah, I don't eat pork, but I'm trying to taste it.
Yeah, you should. You should. Before I have them all.
Alright, so I just had some of the broth, and let me tell you, like, it's full of flavor. I do agree on that. The noodles were pretty good too. I'm gonna try a piece of his spring roll type of thing, see how good that is as well. And I'm gonna try the traditional way of eating it like a rabbit. Let me tell you, first of all, that spring roll is super crispy. It's like really crispy. The meat inside is juicy as well. The lettuce wrapping it around it is quite interesting. And that sauce thing there, let me tell you, I can't wait for my food. Okay, so we just got some spring rolls, right?
This is a fresh spring roll. It's like rice paper around rice noodles, fried tofu, and herbs, basil, mint, cilantro.
Oh, what's in it?
Just the tofu and
Vegetables, and sometimes they have like little noodles on it.
yeah. And this is a peanut sauce. It's like a little
peanut sauce.
spicy peanut sauce, right? And you dip it in.
I gotta say this, these spring rolls look way better than what you get in those regular restaurants back home.
Yeah.
Those are like some knockoffs. This is a real thing.
This
Check
is
that
the real
out.
deal.
Check that out.
Ooh, that's like,
I know, it's like sticky goodness. Thank you.
because you gotta use your fingers.
Yeah, I think you kind of do.
I'm dipping that in the peanut sauce.
So,
Oh my god. Straight fire? Mm-hmm. Dope.
so I'm
like a
gonna,
salad.
I'll save you a piece.
Oh, it's like a
Steven,
salad.
in a roll.
Okay. And I got my avocado shake. I'm not gonna say I'm trying to do no healthy living kind of nothing, and tomorrow I stop. But yeah, I got my avocado shake. And yeah.
That fell in.
That's gorgeous, Steven.
Wow, look at this bad boy right here. Behave yourself. behave yourself. So what's going on top? Is this like the nuts, I think?
Yes, that's like peanuts.
Don't even go with
It's
it.
like peanuts, scallion, and like a little bits of fried garlic. And it sits on a bed of the same rice noodles, and it's like salad, vegetables, and herbs, and then you pour the nunchuck sauce over the top, and it's so that it like dresses the whole thing.
I got like the same, what you call it, the spring rolls inside and stuff. All right.
Yes, with like really tender, delicious grilled pork. Yeah, it's insane. It's so good.
All right, let me tell you, I just had the avocado shake. Straight fire. Like it legit, like it is an avocado shake. It's not like kind of an avocado shake, it's so rich. Oh my gosh. You like it? No? He's looking at himself. Wow. I love that.
Max posted a picture of FBG. You know what that is?
That was your group.
And we all did the like.
Let me tell you,
Since you were little.
that pork was legit. It's just really cool. It's almost like a deconstructed soup. There's like no soup in it, but it's really good. It's crispy, it's crunchy. Oh my god. Yo. I know some of you are going to be upset. Oh, I should have eaten this red your blood. Trust me. This is great. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done. The only thing I didn't like is like it felt cold after a while really quick. I kind of want the noodles to be warm, but like apart from that, I can tell you, these people know how to make you vegetables.
It serves cold.
It serves cold? Yeah, I don't like that.
It's like a salad.
It's like a salad.
It's almost like a salad, almost like a noodle salad.
Apart from that though, it was really good. Everything went together like really well. Alright, so these two are definitely dead bodies from the concert and from everything like that. They can barely walk. But
Okay,
yeah.
it's not even that. It's just like, you know, Tyler is like, he's.
Don't worry, they're gonna see that Snapchat video I did of you in the video before. Yo, you know when my friends sent me like laughing emojis at you? They're like, oh my god, he's crazy.
Bro, but like, if you're a fan of somebody like that, then that's how it feels.
Don't worry,
saying?
I might even put it in this video as well too.
That's disrespectful.
Alright, anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you for coming with us to this Vietnamese experience in New York City. It was pretty good. Remember to see things, love nature, adaptation, and always remember, man, keep the link.